New tenants. Because I like you, and I make you. If no, I don't like that. Go run inside you. You tenants are the great behind you. You like to the love of. New tenants. New tenants. It's when I come this company, my eyes just enter your way. She be my spec. Full option front. Full option back. See, you give my salary, I can't give you. Then you just do to her side. Wait.
Are you done?
Sorry, yo.
I don't love her. This type of the play hard to get. I'll get them. Listen, see, you don't say you na my party for this company. I make Asima call you. See that your sister, eh? She fine, no? Now my spec, full option. So how many me tell her? Because not today I push. I should, if you do one, let me tell her. Oh yeah, okay. I know your problem.
Now you are talking, but Nkadi is small.
Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
It's small.
Yes.
I'm not saying person like you, I get trick. I scatter her. So this one, 1,000.
Oh my God.
So what do you want me to help you to do?
So the time I thought is, let me tell your sister say I like her, so we will feel they do two aside for this company.
Okay. He said I don't tell her since. I don't tell her. I know since the. I don't tell her since.
You don't tell her?
Yes, now. Go back.
She back. Someone will go back. You go now. After you. She's not there now.
Yes, now. She goes surprise you. You can't do that.
No, I can't go back to my post.
Wait, I'll not see you.
That's like that.
No worry, she will come.
She dey come.
She goes surprise you, don't worry.
I wait here.
She will come. She didn't say she will face me now, make I talk.
Okay, I dey hear you.
You know the way it takes day like this now, now you be the best position. Once she just tap you like this, you now go continue this one I won't do. And now surprise she won't give you. I beg that they come. Close eyes, so don't look back. If she tap you like this, now go continue.
Rosie!
You don't know. You don't know why it's going on.
Kiss. Nothing. Yeah.
Hey,
Jesus!
What? Jay?
Problem in all the finish.
Jay.
Oh, come on, my body job.
What? Jay? Jay.
I mean, I don't wanna go.
God have mercy upon us.
Bad market. May God not allow them, make them kill you.